Good morning, Assalamu alaikum all. Here we will start our module with border roads. Border roads are maintained or constructed by the Border Roads Organization. Border roads are constructed or maintained under the authority of Border Roads Organization. Border Roads Organization has been established in 1960 for the development of the northern or the northeastern roads or the regions. Anyway, the roads can also be classified according to the materials used for the construction of the roads. They are metalled and unmetalled roads. Metalled roads means the roads made of cement, concrete or the tar. Unmetalled roads means roads just made on the surface of the earth. Such roads are not useful in the rainy season because the rainwater can bring the sediments over that road. But the metal roads are all season roads. Okay. The next mode of transport is railway. Railway is the most suitable mode of transport for carrying huge loads and bulky goods for long or short distance. Railways are the most suitable mode of transport for carrying heavy loads and bulky goods for the long or short distance. Railways support our economy very much through giving more job opportunities for the citizens and also through the transportation of the goods and services. However, railway is suffering from certain problems. Here, let us discuss these problems suffered by the Indian Railway. Firstly, the construction of the bridges across the river. The construction of the river bridges are very important for the construction of the railway lines. The construction of the river bridges are not easy. It will take time. It is highly expensive. Next problem is the construction of the railway tracks on the hilly regions. This is also a very big challenge. The railway lines laid in the hilly regions through the low hills or the gaps of the hills, or sometimes it needs the tunnels for the laying of the railway tracks. This is a very big task. And the next challenge or the problem faced by the Indian Railway is the Himalayan mountainous regions. These regions are unfavorable for the construction of the railway because of the high elevation points, huge mountains, and spare population, also sometimes the lack of economic opportunity. Here, also, it is very difficult to lay the railway lines on the sandy plains. These are the problems faced by the Indian Railways. Though Indian Railway is facing many difficulties, Indian Railway is acting like a backbone, of our Indian economy through giving more job opportunities, through the transportation of heavy loads. Okay.